Lesson 1. Where are you from?
Hello?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Lesson 2. What's your name?
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's yours?
David.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure. It's 5:10 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 5:10 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Lesson 3. Do you speak English?
Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
3 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student too.
Lesson 4. Introducing a friend.
David, this is my friend, Mrs. Sarah.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mrs. Sarah, what do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Oh. Where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Where?
At a high school in California.
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 35. Lesson 5. Common questions.
David, do you know how to speak English?
Yes.
Where did you learn?
I learned in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the U.S.?
3 weeks.
Is your wife with you?
Yes, she just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No, I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes. I went there once on a business trip. Lesson 6. Do you want something to drink?
David, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay. I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass, or a big one?
Small, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Lesson 7. Now or later?
David, where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yeah, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Lesson 8. Meeting a friend.
Hello.
Hi, David.
Are you there yet?
Yes.
I just got off the subway. I'm almost there. Sorry I'm late.
That's no problem. I just wanted to tell you I'm inside.
Where are you?
On the 2nd floor.
Should I come to the 2nd floor or do you want to come to the 1st floor?
Came upstairs.
What?
Oh, Can you hear me okay? I said, come to the second floor.
Oh, okay. What are you doing there?
Just looking at some books on how to learn English.
Do you want to get something to eat later?
No, I'm still full from dinner.
What do you want to do?
I don't know for sure. When you get here, we'll talk about it.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
Lesson 9. When do you want to go?
Hi, David.
Hi.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes. When?
Is 11:30 a.m. okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said, 11:30 a.m.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.?
Okay. Where?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Oh, where is that?
It's on 7th Street.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Lesson 10. What kind of music do you like?
Sarah, what kind of music do you like to listen to?
All kinds, but mostly pop, rock and classical. Why?
I have tickets to a show. Do you want to go with me?
What kind of music is it?
Pop. It's Mariah Carey.
When is it?
At 8 p.m. tomorrow night.
Yeah, I'd like to go. Do you think we should have dinner first?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Let's eat at the restaurant across the street from my apartment.
Oh, I think I know the place you mean. We ate the last month, right?
Yes, that's right. You have a good memory.
Lesson 11. Do you have any children?
David, do you have any children?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 kids. A boy and a girl.
What are their names?
Clark and Emma.
How old are they?
Rebecca is 18 and Clark is 24.
Are they in school?
Rebecca is. She goes to college in Washington and Clark works in Florida.
What does Rebecca study?
She studies English.
Is she here now?
No, she's at school.
Lesson 12. Choosing a time to meet.
Sarah, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes. That would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay. What time?
Is 9 p.m. all right?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on 5th Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place. Lesson 13. That's too late.
Sarah, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay. When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
Alright. Bye. Lesson 14. Do you have enough money?
Sarah, what are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping.
What time are you leaving?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store?
Okay.
Do you have enough money?
I'm not sure.
How much do you have?
$25. Do you think that's enough?
That's not very much.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Let me give you another $10.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye. Lesson 15. Asking directions.
Hi, David.
Hi Sarah. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Lesson 16. Phone call at work.
Hello?
Hi, is Sarah there please?
Yes. Who is calling?
David.
One moment please.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi Sarah, it's David.
Hi, David.
What are you doing now?
I'm working.
Are you busy?
Yes. It's been really busy here all day.
What time do you get off work?
8:30 p.m.
I'll call you back after 8:30 p.m.
Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye-bye. Lesson 17. Asking about location.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Sure. It's down this street on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
How far is it?
About a mile and a half.
How long does it take to get there?
5 minutes or so.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Thanks a lot.
Lesson 18. Do you know the address?
Excuse me. Do you know how to get to the mall?
Sure, I used to work there. Go straight for about a mile, then turn left at the light. The mall will be on the right.
Do you know the address?
Yes, the address is 541 Main Street.
Can you write it down for me, please?
No problem.
Is it faster if I take Highland Avenue?
No, that way is longer. There are more stoplights on that street.
I think you're right. Thank you.
Lesson 19.
David, who is that woman?
That's Susan.
What does she do for work?
She's a lawyer.
Is she American?
No, but she speaks English fluently.
She's really tall. Do you know her?
Yes, I know her. We're friends.
Who's that man standing next to her?
Which man?
That short guy on her right. What's his name?
Oh, that's Matt.
He is really good looking.
Yeah?
Do you know him?
I don't know him, but I think my sister does.
Is he married?
Yes, he's married.
I remember now. I met him before.
Lesson 20. Paying for dinner.
Excuse me. Check please.
Okay, how was everything?
Very nice. Thank you.
Would you like this to go?
Yes, can you put it in a plastic bag?
Sure, no problem. Here you are. That'll be $25.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard.
Okay, here you are.
Thanks. I'll be right back.
Okay,
Here's your receipt.
thank you.
You're welcome. Please come again.
Lesson 21. I'm hungry.
Hi Sarah, how are you?
Fine, how are you doing?
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kind of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't, but I like pizza.
Lesson 22. Vacation to Canada.
What's today's date?
It's July 7th.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks.
When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th.
All right. Have a nice trip.
Lesson 23. How have you been?
Hello, David.
Hi Sarah. How have you been?
Not too good.
Why?
I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's not serious.
That's good. How's your wife?
She's good.
Is she in America now?
No, she's not here yet.
Where is she?
She's in Canada with our kids.
I see. I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
I hope you feel better.
Lesson 24. Ordering food.
Hello sir, welcome to the French Garden restaurant. How many?
1.
Right this way. Please have a seat. Your waitress will be with you in a moment.
Hello, sir. Would you like to order now?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
What do you have?
We have bottled water, juice, and Coke.
I'll have a bottle of water please.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have a tuna fish sandwich and a bowl of vegetable soup.
Lesson 25. I'm a student.
Sarah, what do you do for work?
I'm still a student.
What school do you go to?
Boston University.
That's a good school. What do you study?
I'm studying English, math, and history. My major is English.
How long have you been studying English?
More than 6 years.
That's a long time.
Yeah, I started to learn English when I was in high school.
No wonder your English is so good.
Actually, it's not that good. I can read but I can't speak very well. I haven't had a lot of chance to practice.
I see. Talking with other people is very important.
Yes, but I still don't have many friends here yet.
I'm having a party tonight at my apartment. You should come.
Oh, thanks for inviting me. I'd love to come.